Here we go, people.
You cannot try it.
I said, no, I'm trying to piece. I'll sit it. Oh,
You cannot listen. You
John,
cannot try
but you
it.
didn't swallow it.
Yes, I did. It's something I'm talking. You cannot try it.
Good morning, folks. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Guys, I need to wash my hair. But anyways, good morning with my old rusty voice. You see how dark it is in the car? It's actually dark inside the car. What's going on? Why is my steering wheel locked? Shoot, what's happening? Jeez, what was that about, huh? Oh, this is much better. My steering wheel was locked just now. I have no idea why. Every morning that I come into this car, I have to put on this feature right here, because the way the time getting cold, I have to make sure that this warm up my bottom nice, because I hate to be cold. I hate the winter, and I'm sure you guys heard me talk that before. Like, I absolutely hate the winter. This footage is gonna be graining because I'm using my phone and the lighting on it is just very poor. My camera gives off this nice, beautiful light, but anyways, whatever. So I'm here waiting for ShéKayla. She's not in the car. She always the one rushing me. Oh, you're gonna make me late. And let me turn the car around actually. So you're gonna make me late. And I'm downstairs in the car and she's not. Oh, late bug is here though. There she is. My little polar bear. Yeah, I don't like how look at this light and I feel like the quality just terrible. Hello, girlfriend. Have some manners to the people and tell them good morning. Can you? Oh, okay, thank you very much. Anyways, let's get going because it's 7:57. So if she's late, and when she's late, she actually gets detention. So if she gets a detention, it ain't her mother's fault. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right? Okay, guys. I just pull over by this gas station, right? They buy these. Let me show you. Sometimes I just cannot resist. Yeah, I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see it, but it's like bacon and cheese. I don't want to open it yet. It's a bacon and cheese turnover. It's called. It's so nice. The crust is just everything. The crust is like one of my favorite parts to get. ShéKayla's at school. Can you believe though, right? ShéKayla, I asked ShéKayla for a kiss. You know, ShéKayla used to kiss me every single day, like all the time. I used to get my kisses in the morning. I used to get my kisses every night. And I used to get my kisses anytime I would drop her off anywhere. But sadly, that's not the case anymore. She doesn't kiss me anymore. ShéKayla's embarrassed to kiss me at school. So see me this she was showing me a TikTok when we arrived, and we were just like chilling for a little bit because we got early. We actually did reach early. There was no traffic or anything, so we did get to the school early. So she was showing me some TikTok, and then I went on my TikTok and I said, oh, let me just do a TikTok, right? And I was gonna ask her something, and then I was like, then she said, oh, I'm gonna go now because my friends are here. Yeah, she said, oh, I'm gonna go now because my friends are here. You see, like, I look a lot brighter now, right? Excuse the bumminess, guys. No makeup, no nothing. My hair ain't comb. I need to wash it. It's got like a lot of stuff in there from like the edge control. But anyway, she said her friends are here. She's gonna go, and I'm like, okay. And I have the phone on. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys would have seen that TikTok if I decided to upload it, because she's like, don't post that, because I was like, can I have a kiss, ShéKayla? And she's like, you're making it weird. I was like, give me a kiss. And she's laughing, and then she comes back in the car to lean over as if she's gonna kiss me, but she couldn't do it. I was like, wow, this is what I get for taking you to school and taking care of you. You can't even give your mother a kiss. Like, why can't you give me a, why is ShéKayla embarrassed to kiss me out? Like, why? Let me just enjoy a little river kisses for now, okay? Because at least I could enjoy another at least 10 years of river kissing me before he start, you know, getting embarrassed to kiss me in front of his friends or kiss me when I take him to school and all of that. So whatever, ShéKayla, I'll get kisses from river. Oh gosh. So I started working out. I worked out the other day. Sean was like, let's do some exercises. We're in the living room. I'm doing like some little sit-up type of things and all kind of stuff. Can you believe that workout didn't even last 5 minutes? I am so unfit. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of it maybe sometime in a week or something if I decide to exercise. I am rubbish at exercising. I'm not even joking. I am not. I can't exercise on my own. I need somebody to motivate me all the time. I need to go and get my nails done. I keep saying that. Sean's gonna be home all day today. Should I use today to go and get my nails done, you think? I need a pedicure as well. I might use today. I might do that, you know, because my finger, I don't like seeing my fingers like this. Like some long and short, and they just need, it looks horrible. Every time I watch the vlogs and my face is all done up and stuff and I see these nails, I'm like, oh, let's get the nails. You get the nails done. And I sure like mentioned it in so many vlogs before, like I need to go and get my nails done. Not like to put on nails, it's just to like get it polished and stuff. And by the way, tomorrow is Sean's birthday. Tomorrow is Sean's birthday, and I don't know how he's gonna feel, because I mean, I've never been around Sean ever for his birthday. And he celebrates birthdays. If you're new to my channel, like I haven't celebrated my birthday in probably 13 years. Like ShéKayla has never had a birthday celebration either, and that's always been like for religious reasons. So I don't know how tomorrow is gonna go. Like I kept thinking, like, do I need to do something to make him feel special? I don't know, because you know he's away from his family, and usually I think his mom would always do like a nice little birthday dinner. They have cake, and I don't know. So I feel like it might be strange just being in a house and there's no, so I don't know. I might just make him like a nice breakfast, nice dinner. I don't know, guys. Like, what can I do? But Sean is like, don't worry about no gift, like, because he knows that that's not me. Like, we don't do, like, I don't celebrate the holidays like that. We don't do gift giving, and you know, but I just feel like I need to do something for Sean. Even Christmas, I'm like kind of dreading that, because it's just so different for him. He's always around festivities and enjoying the holidays, and he's like telling me him and River will be celebrating Christmas. He don't care what I do, but he will be celebrating. See, I'll let you guys know how that goes anyhow. I just don't want it to be like so strange for him. Like, I don't know. I'm upstairs. Y'all outside cold, you know. Sean, outside is so cold. He didn't even see me yet. He's busy watching that. Ruby? Hey! You didn't miss me? You didn't miss me? I feel bad. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. I feel bad. It's time to get something to eat. I did buy one for Sean as well, but I didn't tell her. So let me show you guys the thing in the car. This is what it is. Look who's gonna give me kisses. Give mommy kisses. Kisses. Yeah. See? River's gonna spoil mommy with kisses, right? You're gonna spoil your mommy with kisses? Yeah. I love you. Guys, I just done feeding River. And then I'm gonna go and take a shower, and then I'm gonna go and get my nails done. Wipe your milky mouth, Rizzy. Boom, bam, 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 bam. I just stopped by this cash machine because I'm actually gonna get my nails done. So yeah, just darn on me. I went and I took off some money to pay, because I don't know why a lot of them nail places don't accept cards. I realize every nail shop I've ever been to, I have to pay cash. but it just dawned on me, you know, because I don't really I hardly spend cash. I always use my card. Everything here is like chip and pin kind of thing. We hardly use cash and checkbooks and that over here. Everything is like card. So but the nail salons, they don't. But it dawned on me that, so this is a 20-pound note. Obviously this is for my folks that don't live in England and don't spend pounds. And so this is a 20-pound note. Soon it's gonna be King Charles on the money. So I guess years from now I'll look back at this video and be like, oh, that's when Queen Elizabeth was on the money. Every reigning king or queen, they have to be on the money. So soon you're gonna see King Charles' face start circulating on the money, and because who knows what's gonna be worth like in the future to have money that had Queen Elizabeth, you know, that should be pretty cool. I wonder if anybody have any like coins with like Queen Elizabeth's father, what was his name, like Queen Victoria. Anybody have like money from back when? I'm gonna look that up on eBay and stuff. I just look it up online and see if people actually be selling it. But yeah, so strange. See y'all at the nail salon anyways. Yeah, 5-star nails, and it does not look busy at all. Oh my gosh, what color should I get, y'all? I'm just gonna go with white. Or should I go red? Should I go festive? Where's the white though? Yeah, I'm just gonna get white. Should I put white on my nails? I don't even know. Jeez, I suck. Yeah, I'm gonna put white. I've never had white on my nails, and it might look nice. Yeah, I've never had white nails. Just French tips. Is it the same for shellac? Yeah, I'll just get white on my toes and on my nails because I've never had white on my nails before. Y'all see how awful my nails look? They look so bad. Oh my gosh. Oh crap. You know what? I need to go in the car to get my slippers. One second. Y'all, I'm wearing sneakers. 1 second. Oops, thank you. Yeah, I actually forgot, since I'm doing my toes because I'm wearing the sneakers, I brought slippers. Just my little just some flip-flops, y'all. I'm not even gonna show you guys my toes before they look horrible. So guys, the polish I chose was actually for my toes, and I need to pick one from my fingers from here. Oh, this is cool. Oh, they have like the festive nails. Oh, this is pretty. This one is pretty. This one. Oh, it's so nice. I'm just gonna get white though. I should just get like this color. I'm trying to see. Do I want this color? Maybe I'll get this color instead of white.
Let's cut them down.
Yes, square. Please. He's doing my toes, y'all. No, I don't want those ones. Nope. Nah, not these ones either. I think I'll just use the one that stick out to me. Why is there an X on it though? Do they not have that color? I feel like this match my skin tone though. I feel like I want to get something lighter. Oh gosh. Hold on. Yeah, they don't have the color that I wanted to get, which sucks. I'm just gonna go with white. I'm just gonna stick to the white. They always do it so gentle, you know? Why I feel happy to be getting a manicure. It's been a long time coming, y'all. Anyways, I'll show you guys the finishing. I don't want to be like having this camera up in people's face, even though you don't understand a word that I'm saying, because yeah, Jesus, nail long. Sean hates to see long nails. Oh my gosh, if I ever went home with long nails, Sean would lose his mind. Sean would be like, what the hell, Shauna? He hates to see long nails. He says they're dirty. They just look dirty. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Guys, I'm almost done. I got my toes under there drying, and my fingers, I'm gonna like one by one. Like 13 seconds left on this. And I got white nails. I'm gonna switch them out now. I think they're dry yet. One more. Let's put in that one. Feels nice and warm. Oh my gosh. Here we are, guys. And I did not put on any nails. I just kept my nails so it can be a nice little controlled height. Just short and cute. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. This other hand. Why this hand look like it's prettier than the other one? Yeah. So this is it. Just white nails, you know. And white toes too. Let me put on my slippers. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, I feel different already, honestly. Anyways, let's go pay. Put the rest of my change back, people. I am done. I'm like holding keys like this, like I never got nails done before. I remember the first time I ever got my nails done. I didn't know how to hold anything, y'all. And the fingers stick off like this for a long time as well. Oh gosh. It is time for me to head home. Feed Rivi. Sean and I, we're gonna go for a walk. I think I might go. I mean, it's so cold. What's the time? It's 11:38. So it took me just a little over an hour. Oh my god, guys, this is so much better. Like, I feel more, you know, I'll talk to y'all. Every time I see like some of these YouTubers get their nails done, you know, like when they got like a nice big posh car, they're like this, showing off the nails, but they're really showing off the car. Why? Anyways, it's nothing but to show off, but I really like them, man. It's just so much better than having old tacky nails. And why my fingers look so dry? My hand is very dry. I need to sanitize my hand as well. And yeah, so we're gonna go for a little walk, you know. Like, I'm not at this moment in time, I'm not actually trying to like diet per se. I probably don't eat the way I should, but you know, at the same time, I'm actually breastfeeding. I eat more. I find myself eating just a little bit more than pre-pregnancy. I don't know, because should I stop and put these? Is there a car behind me? Man, I don't want to touch no dirty, the charity box stuff there, but I don't want to go and touch that heavy thing. Just got my nails done. I'll give it to Char. I'll do that later. Probably when I pick up ShéKayla, because it's her clothes. It's a bunch of her clothes to give to charity. You know what? It's so funny, because I remember like when I was back home in Anguilla, clothes that couldn't fit, so I end up just throwing them in the garbage. You know that? That's so bad. And now that I live here, but anyways, they were old, because back home, you know, we got like our yard clothes and this, that, and I don't know, here you tend to have way more than you did back home, because I don't know, like stuff they're just cheap and they're just there, and it's more convenient, and you know, you get nice deals, and so you tend to have like a lot of clothes, you know, stuff that you wear, and even after you wear them 100 times, they still look good. And also, because I mean, this is England, is like, it's not a lot of dirt. Yeah, it's not a lot of dirt like back home. Back home we have like certain parts, you know, sometimes we go down a dirt road, and you know, like private areas like where people live and stuff. So not all over the island is actually paved. You have dirt roads, and you know, it's a lot of dust back home and stuff, more than here. Whereas here, everywhere is paved. Like if a dog was chasing me back home, I could literally like find a little rock somewhere and take up and just boom, to protect myself. Of course, we love animals, you know, not to say that we are abusing animals, but you know what I mean. Like, you can find little weapons around to defend yourself if you're being attacked. Here, everywhere paved, everywhere clean, you know. So anyways, back to the clothes. So yeah, so you wear your clothes 100 times and they still look good. So you know, you donate them. But things that are like things that look raggedy, like if it was torn or like it's really stained up, I don't put those in the charity box, obviously, because if it was me and, you know, that was less fortunate and I rely on charity clothes from charity, I would want decent clothes. You know, I don't want us to wear clothes that's torn and stained and stuff like that. So I try to put like nice stuff in there, so things that no longer fit and they're still in good condition. So anyways, so let ShéKayla do that, because yeah, because it's been in the trunk for like a while now. Yeah, and when I went grocery shopping yesterday, I completely forgot that they were back there, and it was just, I was like, Kayla, the clothes still back there. So it's like getting in the way, but it was just ShéKayla and I that went shopping anyway. So River and Sean was at home and ShéKayla and I went, and so we had room. We didn't have River car seat, so we put some of the bags on the seat. So yeah, that was all right, I guess. Anyways, I need y'all to comment down below, because I realized that y'all don't be commenting even when I ask you guys like how you doing and all of that. Like I'm actually asking you how you're doing, like in the moment that you're watching the vlog. Like I'm like, how y'all doing? And nobody answer me, you know, and I'm like, that's rude. Like, how could somebody be talking to you and asking you how you doing and you don't even respond and say, yeah, SK, you know, I'm good, you know, like today, you know, like what y'all had for dinner? Tell me what you had for dinner. At least tell me that. What y'all cooking today? It's Sunday. What y'all cooking today? But yeah, what's cooking? What's y'all cooking for Sunday dinner? You know, let me know, because it's the Sunday you guys are gonna be watching this vlog. So it's not Sunday today. Today is actually Monday for me, but Sunday for you guys, because that's when you guys are gonna be watching this vlog, because it's a weekly vlog which is gonna end on Saturday or Friday, so I can upload it on Sunday. So yeah, comment, let me know what's up. Yeah. Sean is there watching TV. They're watching stuff about the military. They have like this massive airplane that's dropping off like military trucks. Like they put them on like these pallet looking things, and they just drop them off the plane with parachutes, like military trucks. Did y'all know that? They do that? They do that. But look what I got. Yeah, so I got this here. It's as tall as me, really, and the light comes on, if you can see. It's like different. I got it on Amazon, y'all. So you see it's different lighting on both sides. It's for my phone though, but I really got it for TikTok. It's really for TikTok, because I use my camera to vlog most times, but this is when I'm using my phone, so I could put it lengthways like this and do my little TikToks standing up, so I don't have to have ShéKayla or Sean bugging them to hold the camera for me when I want to do my TikToks wherever I want to do them. So I got it on Amazon. It's so cool, and it literally, look, see, just push it down, and then vice versa, you just pull it back up. Yeah, guys, I'm out for the walk. Sean, take down a 4-mile walk, y'all. Sean, pick up the people. He take down a 4-mile walk, y'all. So anyways, in England, right, you tend to like walk and you see like a bunch of apple trees, but I think they're cooking apples, people say. Let me see. So we decided that we're gonna try one. So this is what it looks like. So it's can you see? Yeah, it's an apple. I hear Sean try it and say, oh my god. So I'm gonna try to see if it's dangerous.
You hear me, sir?
What do you say?
You cannot try.
You don't want me to try it? Oh, he said don't try it because we need somebody to take home River. See River there in the stroller. Anyways, here we go, people.
You cannot try it.
I said I want to try
You
the
cannot
piece.
try it.
I'll spit it out.
You cannot listen.
Sean, but you didn't swallow it.
Yes, I did. It's something I'm talking. You cannot try it. Spit it. The concept is, you couldn't try it. I already tried. If something happened to us, it's the both of us, right?
But it's an apple, Sean.
Oops. So what? What if I start feeling sick? Then both of us start feeling sick.
Listen, Sean, it's not bad though.
Okay, take it. Take the camera. Both. So none of us will take over, right?
River will be fine.
Okay.
Anyways, y'all, it ain't bad. It tastes like a normal apple, except it's just a bit sour. No, cause it's ripe. It ain't bad. I think it would be nice with some salt. It ain't bad, Sean. Yeah, so it's for cooking. I guess that's why. Maybe they don't actually get sweet, so maybe that's why they use them for cooking. Oh, sorry. Sean, go there. Yeah, because you know when you're baking like apple pies and stuff, you're gonna put sugar and all of that stuff. So yeah, but it's a nice little walk here. It's cold, if you can see. Yes, driver. Yeah, 4 miles though, yeah. We reached far now. We reached far. Guys, see the apple tree here? This is what it looks like. So it doesn't look like anything until you like look up and you realize like it's an apple tree. See, it's full of apples. Yeah, it's loaded. We're going back home now, people. We're going home. Morning, y'all. It's the very next day, and as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I actually got up really early to make pancakes. I just need to get these little things smooth. But yeah, I'm making pancakes. I'm gonna show you guys what outside looks like, because that's outside. Look how the window look, y'all. Yeah, but that's outside. Yeah, so I decided to just get up really early and get breakfast started. So I'm gonna make some delicious pancakes with scrambled eggs. Should I do hot dogs or should I do bacon? Maybe I could do bacon. Yeah, with some fruits on the side, preferably like banana and strawberries and whatever. So I'm just gonna make that. And today's Sean's birthday, yeah. Today's Sean's birthday, but I explained all of that to you guys before. But yeah, at least he's gonna eat good on his birthday, right? A nice little breakfast. And I found this nice recipe on TikTok that I'm gonna make for dinner. It's called Tuscan chicken. Is that how it's pronounced? But it's just, I'm gonna tell you guys how it turned out anyways. If I don't vlog it, I might vlog it and show you guys what it looks like. How is it looking, guys? Isn't this like a perfect looking pancake? Like, yeah. So guys, here's the finishing. So we got the egg there, hot dogs, banana, strawberries, pancake, and some little Aunt Jemima syrup. I'm just gonna pour that on. Just give her some whipped cream. Voila, voila, voila. Yeah, he's still sleeping, y'all. So Sean already had his breakfast. River is awake. Look at that smile. You know what he's smiling at, guys? He's looking at his playmat. Yep, look at him. You excited to go on your playmat? Look at his face. Look at his happy face. Yay! How nice was Sean's breakfast, right? He really enjoyed it. He was so surprised though. I did a TikTok. Hopefully you guys already follow me on TikTok, like serving him the breakfast. I recorded it as a TikTok. I didn't like put it in vlog format. I have to go on the road, so before I get ShéKayla from school, I need to go by the shop. I need to stop by Asda so I can get the rest ingredients for this Tuscan chicken that I'm gonna do. Yeah, you guys can catch up with me when I'm in Asda looking for these ingredients. I think I need to get like spinach and like double cream, which you guys will call heavy cream. So I'll see you guys at Asda later. Bye. Hey people, I am now here at Asda. Yeah, so I feel like I'm pronouncing the name of that chicken wrong. The recipe, Tuscan. I am here. Oh my gosh, I don't have any small trolleys. I don't want a big trolley. That's annoying. Golly, the place is cold. Yes, so I'm now here. Let's just see. Get my stuff. I want to shop before I go and get ShéKayla, so I left River at home with Sean. Whoop-tiddy-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, so I'm gonna put away my phone right quick, and then when I get inside past security, because security, they don't like when you do that. So 1 second. Got my scan and go. Hello, ShéKayla. For those of you guys that are new here, ShéKayla is my name. But I go by SK. Yeah. Do I need anything from this section? Bedding? You know, I really don't. But cookware. You know, sometimes it's good to just, you know, have a little scroll just to see if, you know, there's some things that you can get you might be missing. Because I think I need some more glasses, actually. Need some big ones, huh? I mean, I'm not into like big glasses. You see, only 50p for them. You know, these ones probably good. Oh, does it have a grip? No. Is that on the inside? Okay, so inside. It would have been cool if these things was outside, like to get a nice grip. But outside is actually smooth, and it's the inside. I'd prefer if it would be on the outside though. And they're only for 50p, guys. Like 50p for one glass. And you might as well get a pack of 6, right? Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'll leave it for now. I don't need anything from this section, and I need to just keep it moving, you know? I really don't. What's this? Oh, actually, this is a cake cover. A plate cover. You know what I can get? I'm gonna get one of these, you know? Yeah, let's do that. You know what I need? One of them juki. I need a fork. Because every time I'm frying chicken, I fry chicken with my, like, I use my normal fork. And every time I tell myself, you need, SK, you need to get one of them forks. But they don't have. See? One time I remember, they don't have it. Anyways, let me just stick to what I come here for. River is moving a size up, so we need to get him size 4. What is he? Size 3? Oh my god, is he size 3 or size 4? Crap, can't remember, but I know you need a size up. My head, like, I've gone blank. Is he size 3? I think he might be a size 3 and he need a size 4. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, it's gonna be time for River to eat food soon. But we don't have like any plates, like bowls and none of that stuff for him yet, you know? Because we didn't go and rush to buy all these things if he didn't need it, you know? We were just gonna do it like as and when type of thing. What's this? Oh, a play mat. Okay. Yeah, so I think, oh my god, is it rough? Yeah, he is a size 4. He needs to go up to, he's a size 3. Where's my thing? Let me scan it. Guys, I am in the baby food section, and I have no idea what food I'm gonna get for Rivy. You know, all of these is like 6+ months. They're organic, sweet squash and chicken. I mean, I don't know what food. Can you guys comment down below and tell me like what's good? Like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Even these breakfast, creamy fruit and yogurt porridge, baby rice with garden veg. I think you should kill any of this stuff, you know? I used to give her like Cerelac and stuff, and then, oh, they have a Cerelac here. Is this for like infants, honey and wheat? Oh, but this is for 12 months. Is it not for 6 months? I don't know. Is this Cerelac for 6 months? Like, I have no idea. And I think I'm not gonna buy them today because I think I need to like find out a bit more on like brands and like what's actually nice to give them, or should I just like make my own food? I don't know. Should we like give him, do like our own stuff for him instead of like buying ready-made stuff? I don't know. But I don't know y'all, but y'all could comment down below any recommendations. That would be very, very helpful if you guys can do that, just to recommend like what did you do, because he's gonna be 6 months by the time you guys are watching this video. He'll be 6 months on the 11th of December. Moving on. I need to get some double cream. I'm not wasting any time in here, y'all. I'm actually like moving fast. I don't know where to get the Parmesan cheese, but I'm going to get a double cream. When does it expire? April 2020. 165 for this. I can get one. Should I get two? What's the plain fresh whipping cream? It says lavish over lemon whatever or mix into creamy mash. You know what? I'm gonna buy this because I can make some really nice mashed potato. I've never tried that before. Let's do that. This is how this is. It's such a small pack. How much for it? $2.20. I guess we'll get this one. We have our cheese, guys. We have our Parmesan cheese. Now I'm gonna go to the world food aisle because I need to get like rice and needle milk and you know. I guess I'll probably catch you guys in my kitchen, huh? And I'll show you guys a little bit of chicken mix that I'm cooking. Let me do this. Fufu. Yeah, I'm not making no fufu. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys back at my house. Alright. So the process has started, guys. I've got my chicken breast in the oil and it's frying. So we need to fry the chicken breast. And I've got some ingredients here. So I've got my double cream. I've got my Parmesan. I have got spinach. And I've got some cherry tomatoes. Yes. I got my rice here in the rice cooker. About to add my water. Yes. Let's add some salt. Then let's get some butter. I'm putting this much butter in my rice because Sean hates when I put a lot of butter. I normally put way more butter than that though because I like my rice to be buttery, you know. I'll do that for him and not put too much butter. Yeah, so let that cook. Can you believe that Sean wanted to cook? Sean is like, I'm gonna cook. I'm like, no you ain't. He's like, yes I am. I'm like, Sean, calm down. Trying to mess up my little surprise for him, you know? He was like properly insisting and I'm like, I'm cooking. I'm like, Sean, you're not cooking. I hope this chicken tastes nice. But sometimes these TikTok stuff, ShéKayla used to always come about these TikTok recipes and I'm like, ShéKayla, come on, you know? And a lot of them, sometimes they were like fails. So what I did is because in the TikTok videos, they move so fast. So I Googled the recipe, you know, and the instructions. Where's the garlic though? Oh my gosh. I need to find garlic. Sean, put the garlic though. Sean. Where'd you put the garlic? I can't find the garlic. I need to find the garlic and I can't even see. And Sean just left out of the house. He gone somewhere. Can y'all hear me? Let me see if I can jump. Did he put it on the head? No. Sean, where the heck you put? Oh. The garlic right in front of me. You know, because it's not where I normally put it, but I sure had more garlic that was already like open though. Did he use them up? How weird to doing with garlic though. Like, where's the garlic? I'm sure I had like a garlic that was already open. Anyways, I'm gonna go and cut up stuff and whatever. It doesn't say, it doesn't call for much. So the recipe says I need to, after the chicken is fried, so they said to fry it golden. And then once that's done, I need to put like some butter in the pan with garlic. And anyways, I'll show you guys. So I love the smell of garlic. Who else love the smell of garlic when you're like frying it up and stuff in butter? Oh my gosh. It doesn't say to do any onions or anything, so I don't know if I should add it. Just wants like garlic and them tomatoes and It's like minimal, but I like to add like my touch. Should I do that? No, I'm gonna follow the recipe. I'm gonna stick to the recipe. It doesn't tell me to cut up onions and peppers and all of that stuff, so yeah, I won't. Gosh. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn them now. As it says to turn them when they're like a bit golden, aka when they're like cooked on that side. So the good thing with chicken breast is that it cooks quick, you know. Yes. The rice is cooked, y'all. The rice is cooked. See there? Woo! I didn't realize there was so much rice up in here. It swell up. Wow. It's time for me to take the chicken out. Yeah, because this is done. And I have napkin here to put them in. Yeah. I hope this tastes nice enough. TikTok better don't fail me. Last one. Is this one done? This one looks. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Why did the last one have to pop up like that? Oh my gosh. Why are you popping up on me like that? I'm gonna taste one. I'm gonna try a piece. See if I actually seasoned it right. Ooh. It's cooked because it's white inside. No pinklage. That word. Oh my god. It's proper season. I'm not joking. Oh my gosh, what is popping up on me like that? Ah! This piece. Ah! All them little pieces in there. That's why it's popping up on me like that. Alright people, so I'm doing 3 tablespoons of butter. Then it wants me to add the garlic. There's 3 cloves I said to do, guys. So yeah. I got to wash my plum tomatoes. It said to just put them in just like this, you know. I wonder if I should like cut them though, because it says to just leave it until they start to burst, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Apparently these are supposed to be cooking until they burst. I'm washing my spinach. Tomatoes are bursting, see? Take these spinach out. Add them in there. So now I'm going to add my double cream, guys. Look at me giving you guys step by step. I hope you guys, if y'all never tried, hopefully you guys can try it, because that's why I'm giving you guys step by step, okay? So we could try it together, even though you're gonna be watching this video after I try it. But I mean, just, you know, I'll come back to you guys after I'm finished and I'll show you guys, because it's so time consuming. I'm also filming this for TikTok as well. So if you're following me on TikTok, you would have seen this before the vlog. So y'all need to follow me so y'all could keep up with my life every day, because I'll be posting TikToks every day or every other day kind of thing. So it'd be kind of good for you guys to just hop on over there. And yeah, so if you on my TikTok, you would have already seen me do this recipe, share this recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in, add the Parmesan cheese, let it simmer for a bit, add the chicken, then we're done, and I'm gonna show you guys the finishing product. Okay, this actually looks good. It smells just very cheesy. I hope I like this, you know, because I don't know who sent me. I don't know if I put too much milk or what, but I feel like if I had some pasta, I'll just throw it in here and have it with that, because I don't know, this gonna be with rice. You guys definitely have to go and try this Tuscan chicken. It came out nice. I was very doubtful, but eating it, it's very nice. I like it. I love it. It's nice. Oh, did I show you guys though? Let me have a look here on the screen. I'll pop it on the screen. So this is what it looks like. So that's rice. Oh, that's spinach, tomato, you know, y'all. Anyways, y'all see the ingredients. But yeah, it looked nice there, right? Yeah. So that's that. So you guys can go ahead and try it. Sean, you enjoy it, right? They can't hear you. Sean is like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. I didn't get to show you this last night. ShéKayla baked some brownie. She said she did it for Sean. So we ate like half of it already last night. So it looks like. It's like a little breaded kind of thing underneath and the brownie, and then she did some, it's like marshmallows on the top and chocolate drizzle and stuff. It's so nice. So she put that like in a little plate for him. She also added like a little bit of whipped cream and stuff. So yeah, so because I like did him like the nice breakfast and stuff, she's like, I'm gonna bake Sean a nice little cake. But yeah, it's a brownie, and I see that she cut it up already. So yeah, it's so good. I'm gonna have another slice of y'all.